WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
And on WUSA 9, meteorologist Topper Shutt, we are still looking at the tropics. Remember, hurricane season runs through November. So we do see something out in the Atlantic, and the National Hurricane Center has kind of flagged that. And it says, hey, it's got a 70% chance of developing into a tropical storm, not necessarily a hurricane, in the next 7 days, 50% chance in the next 2 days. Good news is the track is pretty consistent with all the long-range models, has it going north of San Juan and staying off the coast of the U.S. So that's good news, but we need some rain here. We may see a coastal storm develop separate of that. That would become Tropical Storm Jerry that could bring us some rain, much-needed rain over the weekend. In the meantime, we have pollen counts, and they're still relatively high for mold spores, somehow moderate. Everything else is low. Trees low, grass is low, and ragweed also low. And this is ragweed season, okay? So here we go. Let's talk about our weather impact alert. This is for Wednesday. It's just going to be in the morning now. We're going to make it from midnight Wednesday to noon on Wednesday. Impact's going to be showers, periods of rain, windy in the morning and afternoon for that matter. But right now, extra morning commute time, but that's it, and some rain gear. After lunchtime, it's going to be clearing very, very quickly. In fact, it'll be clearing around noon in the immediate metro area, taking a little bit longer south and east of town. It's going to be a really quick hitter. So, 6 a.m. on Tuesday. Great. I mean, another beautiful start, 50s and 60s, mild at the bus stop. You know, by 9 o'clock, we're near 70. Just a few clouds. Winds, notice the arrows picking up a little bit. Southwest winds, a tiny bit breezy. But look, another warm day. It was 82 at National, 81 at National, 84 at Dulles on Monday. We're going to have one more day in the 80s. That's probably going to do it. I mean, probably going to do it for the rest of the year. Notice some showers by 1 o'clock Tuesday west of the divide. Some of those showers get closer to us by 6 o'clock up around Frederick and kind of in between Hagerstown and Westminster. We're still dry in the metro. So we haven't issued the alert for those particular showers, but we get into, say, 10 o'clock at night. Now we have showers north and west, but everybody's home, and they're all pretty much light. Look how mild it is. Still 75 downtown, 70 in Gaithersburg and Leesburg. That's at 10 o'clock Tuesday night. Now we get into Tuesday morning, boom, 5:30. Here comes the heavier downpours, maybe a couple rumbles. The thunder, it's still mild, 66 Hagerstown, 68 downtown. See the red there? See the yellow and orange? So there'd be some heavy downpours. But here's the thing, it's moving so fast, all right? That's at 5:30. 9 o'clock, it's about to clear I-95. And then by lunchtime, it's beautiful, D.C. north and west. Yeah, still some clouds, Calvert County and St. Mary's County, but it's dry. So this moves through very, very quickly. Notice the arrows are now north-northwest. And even though it's a strong cold front, and this will usher in the coldest air or coolest air of the season, it's still going to be okay, you know, Wednesday afternoon, near 70 from Hagerstown to D.C. By 6 o'clock, everyone's clear and temperatures low 60s in Cumberland, but still around 70 downtown, 69 in Bowie, 69 in Bethesda. By 9:30 on Wednesday, it's getting cool, 56 in Frederick, 56 in Martinsburg. And you get into the late, you know, Wednesday night into early Thursday, most folks now in the 40s. So here are the temperatures. Next 5 days, one more warm day on Tuesday, low 80s, but then around 70 on Wednesday, and then we're in the 60s Thursday, Friday. Saturday, we're going to be close to 70. If that coastal storm doesn't push any moisture up here, we'll probably be 69 or 70. If it does move north, then temps will be probably in the mid-60s. But that'd be good. That would bring us some much-needed rainfall. We're going to make the cool day Sunday, 63, as the coastal low moves up. And again, this is separate of Jerry, if Jerry were to develop. 68 on Monday, and then low 70s Tuesday, low 70s Wednesday. Gorgeous next Thursday. Temperatures go back in the mid-70s. So a little cool stretch coming our way. So running forecast, you can run any time on Tuesday. Yes, before noon would be more comfortable. 60s at 7 o'clock, 70s at lunchtime, but we're 80 by evening. So here we go. Partly cloudy, some clouds increase Tuesday. Still a nice day. You still need your shades. 81. There are your showers. There's your alert for the first half of the day. Sun pops out pretty good second half, although windy. And then brisk on Thursday. Now, that's a low temperature Thursday night of 48. That's a downtown temp. So that means Thursday night in the burbs, we can see some upper 30s. So here we go. Friday, we're still cool, but mostly sunny. Cool for high school football. Saturday, we're going to keep it dry for now, but that storm is lurking off the coast. Good news for the Terps game. Nebraska comes into town, 3:30 in the afternoon. Let's hope they don't break our hearts this weekend. And then Sunday, we'll say rain and showers as the storm moves up the coast. Morning showers on Monday, but we're in pretty good shape by the time the game starts. Remember, it's a Monday night game at Northwest Stadium as we host the Bears. It will be dry, but temperatures during the day will be in the upper 60s. During the game, a little cool, low 60s to upper 50s.